Welcome to Arcrox YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the series Food as Medicine. Before we go on to today's topic with food as medicine, I just wanted to clarify that this is the drumstick that I meant in my previous video as medicinal food. Some folks from US and Southeast Asia mistook it to be fried chicken. It's not fried chicken. This is drumstick. Just wanted to clarify this before we start today's session. Okay. The world is facing the biggest disease or biggest disorder in the world as of now is diabetes mellitus, normally referred to as sugar or blood sugar. Okay, there are two conditions. One is hyperglycemia and another one is hypoglycemia. Hyperglycemia is high sugar and hypoglycemia is low sugar. Now we are going to talk some remedies for the hyperglycemia condition. Right? The first medicine is, which is again a food. It's no different. It's not a separate thing which we all take. Bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd, if you are not familiar with the name, it's Momordica charantia. Momordica charantia is the botanical name. You can verify what is the local name in your place. We call it as pagarkai in Tamil. Pagarkai chara or bitter gourd juice with fenugreek. The ratio is 1:1. You'll have to consume this early in the morning in the empty stomach. This is a very good remedy for all the diabetes levels around 300 to 400, right? Okay, the next one is Seendal Kodi Elai, which is commonly called Tinospora. The botanical name is Tinospora cordifolia. This leaf, when consumed in the right quantities, is also a medicine. There is also the common neem leaf. It's called Vepalai in Tamil. You can verify it with the botanical name Azadicata indica. Azadicata indica, Azadica indica, Azadta indica is the botanical name. You can consume this leaf also. Again, bitter in taste. Avarambu. Avarambu is a flower. It's a flower of Mathura tree. It's commonly called Mathura tree. But if you want the botanical name, it's Senna articulata. Senna articulata. So when you consume this leaf also, this flower also, the blood sugar level is controlled. Right. This is a vegetable. Kovakai we call it in Tamil. It's scarlet gourd. Scarlet gourd is the name in English. The botanical name is Carcinia grandis. Carcinia grandis. You can verify what is Carcinia grandis called in your place and you can consume that as a vegetable. That would be a very good medicine for diabetes mellitus or sugar. This one is popularly known as insulin leaf, Camericostus cuspidatus, but it is always referred as insulin leaf. This is also a good medicinal plant which reduces the blood sugar level, which controls the blood sugar level rather. We call this as Sirukurinjan in our local language Tamil. The botanical name is Gymnema sylvestre. This is found in Asia, China, the Arab Peninsula, Africa and Australia. It's a common plant. Sometimes we don't know the common plants that are in our place which gives a lot of medicinal value. So this plant is found everywhere. All these, whether Tinospora or the neem or the Mathura tree flower or the scarlet gourd or the Gymnema sylvestre or the insulin leaf, all can control diabetes mellitus, the hyperglycemia, and it can balance the glucagon and insulin level. So when consumed in the right quantities, you'll have to check the quantity. It's not that I take 3 times or 5 times or 10 times a day. You'll have to be constant. You will have to understand how you're, and you'll have to remember one more thing. Diabetes is not a disease. It's just a condition. It's a disorder. Condition may change automatically. What is your sugar level on this hand? When blood taken from this hand, it may not be the same. It may be different, right? So you'll have to understand that the diabetes mellitus is not a disease. It's only a disorder, and instead of pills, we can take any of these medicine, especially the bitter gourd juice with fenugreek early in the morning in the empty stomach, gives you very good results. And along with this, if you maintain some high fiber content food, you add rich iron content food like spinach or sprouts, which are, and other rich protein content food, you should be able to overcome this particular disease in no time. It's not a disease again, I'm sorry, it's not a disease, it's a disorder. You can overcome the disorder in very short period, and you can continue to do this just in case the disorder prevails. No need to worry. Always consider food as medicine. Be happy, live healthy. Thank you very much.